Hello, welcome. I am Vishwanath Hebbar. In this video, let us discuss about the investment opportunity in Gillette India Limited. Considering the current stock price and a business, it looks like a good investment opportunity at this time. Before going ahead with the video, I would like to inform that this video is for educational purpose only. Before going ahead with any investment decision, please do your own analysis or consult your trusted financial advisor. That being said, let us go ahead with the analysis of this stock. Firstly, let us understand the business or products. It has various products like razor, blade, styler, shaving gel, shaving cream, aftershave lotion. These are its main product brands. And company is a market leader in the blades and razor segment for men. It has posted a good sales in the latest quarter. Sales has consistently increased over the last 3 or 4 quarters. And company's profit loss statement looks good, and company has posted a net profit of 2030 crores in the last year. Let us understand the balance sheet. Company's balance sheet looks good, and company has a zero borrowing. It means there is no loan. Company has a zero debt. It means there is no loan for the company to pay, and it is a zero debt company. Shareholding pattern. Promoters are consistently holding the 75%, that is a maximum amount of shares over the last few years. And here important thing is foreign institutional investors have increased their shareholding pattern. Also domestic institutional investors have significantly increased their shareholding pattern. This means that share is going into the strong hands. So they are most likely to take the share price upward in the coming days. The public investor shareholding has decreased significantly. So this change in the shareholding pattern indicates the probability of stock going higher price in the near future. Let us understand the share price in the last 5 years. In the last 5 years, all-time high price was close to 8,000 rupees. Current price is around 6,020. And all-time low price in the last 5 years is around 4,100. And from this point to here, stock has around 30% gain opportunity. And this price was lower price was during the pandemic and in the earlier years. And so there is a very low probability of stock coming towards this price. Gillette India is a market leader and it has a very established business presence in India. Hence, there is very low chances of stock price coming from this price towards 4,100. And company not only has established business, company's balance sheet is also good, and it is a profit making company and a zero debt company. And hence, it can be expected that price can go from anywhere between 25 to 30% in the coming 1 or 2 years. And shareholding pattern also suggests that. I hope this video helps you in making a better investment decision. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you in the next video.